They had a look at my information on my website, and they contacted me and say, listen, I've got a lot of contacts in the businesses, and I would like to be of service to spread your message. And I said, well, that's wonderful. I pay a finder's fee for that. Meaning this person is also an entrepreneur. You don't always have to be outside a company or an organization. It is delivering a service or a product. And yes, and this I have. I also got, and I do training in companies, and this person opened the doors to the HR manager that went to the CEO. And I am training their companies on rewriting organizational DNA. I've got a contract, and that person gets a finder fee, and we agreed on a certain percentage of that.